Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I have a very special video for you today. Before I go any further, I just want to let you guys know and apologize in advance that this video, the audio was horrible, so I am doing a voiceover, and just keep in mind that whatever I'm saying is not corresponding to what's in the video. I might say something ahead of what my hands are saying or what I'm pointing at, so I do apologize about that ahead of time. This video is showcasing the new Big Kit stamp set called Mermaid Galore, and it is for pre-order starting June 3rd through the 7th. The pre-order price is $40 and the regular retail price would be $50. I always encourage you all to get the pre-order because one, you're guaranteed a stamp kit, and two, you get the pre-order price of $40 opposed to $50. Also, if you don't pre-order and you decide to chance it, you're not guaranteed a stamp because it's whatever is left from the pre-order, and it's not always a lot, you know, so I really do encourage you guys to purchase the set during pre-order time. So really quick, with the stamp set, you get 10 mermaids and 10 sea life animals, and you get 5 sentiments. It's You're Simply Marvelous, Just Keep Swimming, Made for Each Otter, Swimming By to Say Hello, and Sure Thing. And what I love about the stamp set is, like I said earlier, you get these cute little animals, sea life animals, and the dolphins is just adorable. I think they're even more adorable because I colored them in pastel. That's just my thing. It makes it cuter. So yeah, you don't need to use the animals with the mermaids. You can make your own cards using that. I also want to touch up on our previous mermaid stamp sets. As you can see right here, this stamp set is what we normally came out with, and they were individuals. They are the same mermaids, except these mermaids in the Mermaid Galore is a little smaller, as you can tell, to fit onto the sheet, the Big Kit sheet. So you actually get more bang for your money when you buy these stamp sets. And I do love the big mermaids. However, with the smaller mermaids, like in Mermaid Galore, you can put more than one image on a card, whereas the other ones, you could probably just put one, or you'd have to make a pretty big card to accommodate more than one of the bigger previous. So, like I was saying earlier, it's best to pre-order this stamp set and take advantage of the pre-order. Also, if you have any comments or questions regarding the stamp set, now's your chance to ask. I will be making sure to read the comments you have from the 1st, which is today, to the 7th, to ask your question in time to place your order during the pre-order time. So leave a comment down below. Also, please like, subscribe, and share and comment in our YouTube channel and this particular video, because for those who comment and share and just participate or be active on our YouTube channel, gives you the chance of being entered into our monthly YouTube gift card giveaway from the Greeting Farm. And by participating or being active, I will put your name into the drawing and then pick out the winners and announcing it during our Stamp in Review video, which is usually towards the end of the month. So we do really appreciate everyone who's come and liked and shared and even comment, and let us know what you think of this video or this stamp set, and we can't wait to see what you create with it. Again, I will be here during pre-order time frame to answer any of the questions you guys have regarding the stamp to help you make your decision. Thank you for watching. Have a great week and stay safe, everyone, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.